He has been laying on this because he likes it, but you can't take it away from him. He gets mad. You're such a cutie. Ah! Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Lily and you should subscribe. And if you are a returning subscriber, welcome back. I'm so excited to have you guys here. Christmas is my favorite time of the year and I cannot believe that we are literally days away. I am not done with all my Christmas shopping, but I thought it would be super cute to show you guys what I plan to do with my Christmas gifts this year. I love wrapping gifts. I'm gonna show you guys the wrapping paper I got, some baggies, as well as how I do my bows. Super simple but cute. I love this part about Christmas. I got this 120 package at TJ Maxx and it was actually only $3.99 and it comes with different stickers. This side, as you can see, is very sparkly. They're not all the same. And then on the other side we have solid paper, but I love how cute these are. So yeah, that's what I got. It's like a little booklet, I think. Actually, I don't know. I'll be showing you guys in a minute. I do have last year's wrapping paper. It just says Merry Christmas all over and it's like a red gold. So I'm probably gonna be using this up because I got a lot left over. But I also have this reindeer wrapping paper, which I love. It's so cute, except it is so sparkly, kind of gets all over. But I do want to use it up because there's still a lot of it. And these two I got at Ross last year. For this year, got this set at TJ Maxx. And so this one just says Merry Christmas all throughout. This is a little polka dotted moment, and then there's a little truck. I did get some baggies. Let me show you guys. So this guy has a cute little kitty and it's so cute. It's adorable. It says Meowie Christmas. I can't with the cuteness. And then on the other bag, it just has a cute little kitty on both sides, and I just thought that was perfect. It reminded me of Coco, so you know I had to get it. Along with the bags, I got some little tissue paper. It just has red, white, and a lettery paper that just says Merry Little Christmas. Okay, so my ribbon I got at Walmart. I didn't get too much because I don't know if I will use up all of this tonight, but I do plan to go back and get more if I run out. I just got a green, a sparkly red, and a solid red. I do have different size boxes. I do have to go to dollar store and then come back to wrap them up, and yeah, I'm excited. This one's so cute. this wrapping paper, it's like matte. But then you can see all the scratches. This is the last one. So it is the next day now. I just showed you guys how I wrapped my gifts. My dad brought up my Pixi Christmas box. I know that every year around Christmas they do send out a package. I honestly didn't know if they were gonna send one out this year because what they normally send out they had sent earlier this year already, but I thought since I'm already editing I might as well open it with you guys and film it, do a little unboxing. Let me open it. Oh, this is what the box looks like. It says Pixi all over. So cute. I do love their PR packaging. I think it's always so cute. And this is the inside of the box. They always include a message. I love it. They do have a actual store in California, but how stinking adorable. And then in the inside, they sent over their holiday package, which includes 3 toners. They included the Milky Toner, the Glow Tonic, which I swear by. I love Glow Tonic, and then the Retinol Tonic, which are just some cleansers. These are multi-toning. And then the other item that they included was another one of their holiday packets. And this is also Glow Tonic. I love the little baggie. I do like when they send a little makeup bags. Let's open this up. This is so cute. Mira, Mom. It's so little. This is their Glow Mud Cleanser Mask, which I highly recommend if you guys are in need of a mask. It has avocado, and this is a mini of their Glow Tonic. It has another mask as well as makeup wipes. I love it. Adorable. I'm gonna open this guy up. It does have tape up here, but I think these are also going to be minis. This is their Milky, the Glow Tonic, and the retinol toners. I love all three. I'm actually currently loving the Milky one just because my skin has been extra dry, but how cute! Christmas in a box. Alright guys, that is everything for this video. If you are not subscribed yet, make sure to hit that little subscribe button as well as that little bell so you are notified every time I upload a video. I will see you on the next one. Bye guys!